ISX15 engine, the routing of the air compressor belt, which is the thinner one, right? Comes around over this pulley and straight down. It's the thin belt right here that from this pulley, it goes straight shot all the way down and around behind this pulley down here next to this big belt, right? Next to the serpentine belt, it comes up around this pulley right here, over it, right, from the bottom straight up, over it and around back to the compressor. So it goes over the compressor, over that pulley, straight down, or straight shot all the way down, around the bottom next to that serpentine belt, straight up, over the tensioner, and around the AC compressor.